Hello, hello. Yes, we are live now. Hello, students, and welcome back to BankExamsToday.com. My name is Ramandeep Singh, and today I'm going to provide you PNB SO Credit Manager 2020 study plan, 7-week study plan. That's what I'm going to provide you today. 7-week study plan. A lot of students actually requested me. A lot of students who contacted me regarding the PNB SO who took my course. They are little confused regarding the study plan. What to study in week 1, what to study in week 2, किस हिसाब से तैयारी करनी है. That's what I'm going to discuss today. That's what I'm going to tell you today. So let's start with the session. This is a 7 weeks plan. See, as per my information, the PNB is not getting the slots for the exams in the month of October. बहुत सारे exams हैं, इनको slot नहीं मिल रहे हैं as per my information. अभी तक की information के हिसाब से. And the exam is going to be held in the first or second week of November as per my information, because obviously they need to book the slots for that online examination centers, right? So as of now, बहुत सारे they need to book the slots, and then a lot of things are there. They're not getting slots for the month of October because there are a lot of exams. बहुत सारे exams हैं next month, RRB वगैरह बहुत सारे exams हैं. That is why they are not getting the slot. Most commonly this RRB exam is there next month, so obviously next month के slot नहीं है. So let's move forward with our study plan. Yep. And yes, students, I have a separate channel for Scale 2, Scale 3 officers. You can follow me on Telegram. The name of the channel is RRB GBO. The link to the separate channel is available in the description. Let me just share the link on the channel. And yeah, follow me on my channel. Okay, I share important stuffs on this channel, specially made for Scale 2, Scale 3. So week 1 to 7, what does that mean? इसका क्या मतलब है? That you need to do this during your preparation. रोज करना है, regular, whenever you have time, whenever you feel like you need to do this, because RBI circulars are most important part of this course. See, students, how banks provide the loans, what is moratorium period, and regarding priority sector lending, or regarding NBFCs, or the guidelines to the banks, the various guidelines, the digital banking, or the P2P loans. These are important latest concepts that you will find in RBI circulars. From April to October 2020, you need to do all the circulars, right? If possible, start from January. In the course, in that PNB Credit Manager course, we are providing the circular from last 2 years, but start from the month of January if you have time. It won't take much time. Within 30 minutes, you will be able to finish 1 month of RBI circulars. I have done hard work for you. मैं एक वीडियो बनाता हूँ 15-20 मिनट की, खत्म 1 महीने का circulars, right? Followed by the quizzes, उसके quiz भी साथ में है. And then there is financial awareness course section in your course. Financial awareness है, and you will be finding quizzes there, a variety of topics there which are very important for the exam. So that is very important. Whenever you have extra time, you need to go through this portion. This is very, very important for your exam. Okay, बहुत important, and also important for the interviews, because interviews are more important. I would say interviews are very, very important, because our goal is to get final selection. An interview would fetch you that final selection. Interview से ही final selection आएगा, right? And financial awareness is very, very important for the interviews. So please, from day one, you need to focus on on financial awareness. ठीक है? Let's move to the week 1. This is week 1, not week 11. In the quantitative aptitude, percentage approximation seems easy. It's actually easy. Percentages, interest, simple and compound interest, and then approximation. Day 1 पे simple chapter. Remember the tables. Very, very important. Basic चीजें on day 1. On day 2, partnership, profit and loss. Do at least 20 questions. 20 questions each day. I am assuming that you are a working professional. You just have 2 hours a day. You have 2 hours a day. That's how we have framed the whole section. Partnership, profit and loss. Day 3, time and work, pipes and cistern. Day 4, time, speed and distance, problem based on trains, boats and streams. Day 5, 6, 7, Data interpretation and data sufficiency. Why that much time? Because in that data interpretation, you need to do practice. Practice is the key for the data interpretation. That is why I'm giving 3 days for the data interpretation only. In the week 2, you need to do number series, then ratio, proportion, mixture, alligation, then quadratic equation. You can do quadratic equation along with the day 2 itself, and rest of the 2 days for data interpretation. You can adjust the study plan according to your SWOT analysis, in which topics you are strong, right? उसके हिसाब से आप adjust कर सकते हो. Then blood relations, syllogism, inequality in last 3 days of week 2. Week 3, puzzles for the first 2 days. Here if you feel like quadratic equation or data interpretation का practice नहीं करना है आपको, then you can give more days to the puzzles, but at least give 2 days to the puzzles, very important, and 2 days to the sitting arrangement, very important. In these 2 days you are going to learn the technique and practice. Day 5, coding, decoding, directions and distance, very easy, ये 2 घंटे में हो जाएगा, and this can take some time, a day or 2. Statements and assumption on day 6, cause and effect, statement and assumption, statement and conclusion, and day 7, machine input output. That's how you need to do it. Week 4, for first 3 days you can read the English grammar and practice reading comprehensions. You need to practice and practice again. You can save your time in this week. See, if you are stuck at puzzles or sitting arrangement, you can give just 3 or 4 days to English language. You can give 3 days or 4 days to English language. You can allocate those 2-3 days to puzzle, sitting arrangement, or let's say data interpretation. That's up to you, because those topics takes time. Usko time लगता है preparation में. Week 5, now we are moving to the core finance, the working capital management. Okay. Now this is, I'm doing it in like these are 5th, 6th and 7th week. So हो सकता है कि 7th week उतना time ना मिले. So these are the 3 weeks according to your comfort. You need to do this. Ratio analysis is very important. This would take at least 2 days. You need 2 days for ratio analysis and 1 day for working capital management, and at least like 1 day, because calculators are not allowed. The question which cannot be solved without calculators, you don't need to do that. Theoretical करना है आपको, ठीक है? Time value same goes for time value of money. Just within 1 or 2 days, you can give even more days. 3 days to the ratio analysis, one days to working capital management, time value of money, and जो time बचता है, go through financial awareness in 1 or 2 days, whatever is left. Week 6. Risk management, basics of risk management, concept, types, measurement, identification of risk. You need to know what is beta, what are derivatives, forward future swaps, the basic derivative pricing, forward future valuation, forward rate agreement, the basics of risk management, short-term financing, long-term financing, money market instrument, basic money market instruments, capital market instrument, types of bond, basic bond valuation. If a question cannot be solved without using a calculator, you don't need to do that. Week 6 or 7, portfolio management, basics of portfolio management, the concept of beta, systematic risk, unsystematic risk, capital allocation, modern portfolio theory is very important. Yield curve analysis, YTM concept is very important. Yield interpolation is very important. The duration concept, modified duration, Macaulay duration, effective duration, types of bond, relationship between duration, yield, coupon and maturity, very important. Convexity and its property in the portfolio is very important. Positive, negative convexity. Interest rate options, interest rate swaps, currency swaps are very important for the exam. It would hardly take a day. It would hardly take 1 day. Portfolio management may take 2 or 3 days. It could take 2-3 days, and you can do within 1 or 2 days you can do convexity, or 1 or 2 days you can do duration. Okay, so easy का ही part लगा लो, ठीक है? 2-3 days में. That's how you need to complete the syllabus. Once you are done with it, I recommend all of you to do so I recommend all of you so once it is done, I recommend all of you to do the mock test. 5 mock tests I'm going to provide to you. Just check it. So this all these topics are part of PNB SO Credit Manager course. You'll be getting video classes, notes, test series, quizzes, recorded sessions, chapter-wise quizzes, interview preparation guidance, focus on the conceptual understanding. So link to join is available in the description. This is my WhatsApp number. We have a separate Telegram channel as well. So join the course on BankExamsToday.com. This is a list of students who cracked the IBPS RRB Scale 2, Scale 3 2019 course using our study material. I'm really happy for them. Bank of Maharashtra Generalist Officer and Bank of Baroda Wealth Management, Vijaya Bank Credit Officer, Bank of India Credit Officer. So the notification for Bank of India Credit Officer 2020 has been released, aa chuka hai, and we'll be making a proper course for that. We'll be releasing proper course for that tomorrow. I'll be doing analysis of the notification tomorrow. So stay updated. And that's all for today, students. If there is any doubt, WhatsApp me and we'll be doing a proper video on Bank of India Credit Officer tomorrow morning. Kal subah 11 baje. Okay, we'll be doing a proper session on Bank of India Credit Officer. So stay updated. Don't miss the session. So thank you and have a very nice day. Bye-bye.